So we're going to do something called tongue curling now. Okay, so this beginning movement when we were doing like this, you know, that was kind of the healing sound for the triple burner or San Jiao channel. It kind of deals with fluid respiration in Chinese medicine. I kind of translate that to kind of metabolism, things like that. So if you hold this area and this area in your fingers, you know, ring finger to thumb finger, that kind of activates that San Jiao channel, or also known as the triple burner. Okay. Associated with the fire element. So you kind of breathe in and out, and just kind of, you know, picture your belly kind of being full here, and it's what you need here. So you can actually picture like there's a little fire down there, like a little fireball kind of in your lower abdominal area if you want to. Just kind of picture it there, and you breathe in. And the reason we do this is we're trying to basically, you know, help our digestion move, activate it. It kind of corresponds to just like about an inch or so, or 2 inches below your navel, and kind of just center your body. Just breathe in as you do this a couple times. And then if you want to make it more about controlling your appetite, you can kind of just let go of that visualization about the belly and just kind of curl your tongue back, curl it back. Don't gag, but your tongue's kind of going back like this, you know, back like this, and you hold this and you just breathe in and out. So I got to kind of breathe through my nose as I do this. Okay, so my teacher would advise, you know, Suzanne Friedman would advise, like, do it about 3 to 5 minutes each day. Like, you could do it twice a day. You know, if you have the urge to be hungry. And when I do this little mudra or hand sign here, it actually makes my belly feel like it's kind of full, like it's distending a little bit here. And so you do that with the tongue curling. And you just kind of picture yourself being full, like being satisfied. You know, if you want to add the fire visualization, you can do that as well. Okay, so we'll end with how we began with the Shee healing sound, just a balance in case we healing sounds are balancing, so they will help us kind of regulate things a little bit. So we'll just do it as we let our hands come up and down and go Shee. Do however many you want. 3, 6, 9, 8. Just gonna do a couple more. And last one. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.